my God! This storm is terrible. The wind howled as if it was tearing everything apart. I have never seen anything like this. My roof has been blown off. The trees around me were blown down by the wind, uprooted and lying all over the street. We had to hide in the basement, afraid to go out. The electricity was out. There was no way to contact or get any more information. Typhoon Yagi passed quickly, but the destruction was terrible. We had to evacuate almost immediately when the floodwaters started rising. In just a few hours, the streets turned into piles of water. Almost the entire city was severely damaged. Many houses were completely collapsed. We have lived here all our lives, witnessed many storms, but none like Yagi. The wind of more than 230 kilometers per hour blew through the city like a monster. Nearly 40,000 people had to leave their homes. All of us were looking for shelter. The streets are now devastated, unrecognizable. Services are completely paralyzed. No one can help anyone. We are waiting for relief, but we don't know when they will arrive. It is safe to say that the city will suffer a great deal of damage. Although the damage to homes and property is great, we will have to find a way to overcome it. The scene after the storm is gradually becoming calmer but still sad. At first, there was only smoke coming from the roof. I saw the rescue team arrive shortly after. Within a few minutes, the fire was raging. I couldn't believe how fast it happened. The fire started spreading everywhere, engulfing every corner of my house. The rescue team tried to stop the fire that was engulfing my house. I know they did their best, but they couldn't save anything. My house, everything was burned. The house burned down completely in a short time. It was so heartbreaking, everything was gone in the flames. It happened so fast. When I heard the explosion, I ran out to check. At that time, the two cars had flipped over. The truck was on fire and spread to the other car. It was terrible. I saw someone trapped in the truck. The man tried to escape the huge fire. The fire brigade arrived, but the fire had already flared up. The people and the force tried to control the fire. A while later, the fire was also controlled. By this time, the two cars were badly damaged. The man's words will surely haunt him. The police are investigating the accident. I just passed by the canoe and saw smoke coming from the bridge. At first, it was just a little smoke, but then the fire broke out fiercely, burning the entire bridge right before my eyes. I couldn't believe it. This bridge had stood firm for so many years, but now it was burning like this. The fire spread so fast, people at the foot of the bridge were in panic, running around. The fire just swallowed up parts of the bridge. Several fire trucks arrived, but the fire was already too strong. The bridge used to be the pride of the whole area, but now it was just ashes. This whole area will take a long time to return to normal. That morning, I received a call at 9:30 from a neighbor friend. At that time, I couldn't believe my ears. That was where I grew medical marijuana with all kinds of sophisticated equipment. It was a project that I had been building for a long time. When I got there, black smoke was rising. The fire was so big, the firefighters had to stand far away from the work. All my hard work, the lighting system, the fans, the hydroponics, the seedlings, all were in ashes. This fire, someone did this on purpose. I had followed all the regulations on medical marijuana. What did they want? To take everything from me. Seeing the smoke slowly disappearing into the air, I knew I had to start over. A bolt of lightning struck the mountain, creating a column of black smoke that looked like a volcano erupting. Those hundreds of meters of lightning lit up the sky. Look, lightning struck again. It struck right near the road. The whole ground shook. I felt like the car was shaking. I really didn't know what was going on. There, right in front of me, the lightning just struck straight down. Hey, did you see that? Felt really scary. Look up at the sky. Those bright flashes seemed to tear the sky apart. The ground beneath my feet was shaking. Do you see how strong it was? From a distance, black smoke was already billowing into the sky. When we received the call at around 9:30 a.m., the flames were billowing as if they were going to engulf everything. We were quickly on the scene. The large warehouse located at 18600 BLK 88th Avenue was completely engulfed. Neighboring units were also mobilized to control the situation. We quickly set up a blockade around it, all using modern equipment to extinguish the fire from a distance. We worked at full capacity, but the fire still spread to a large area. The fire burned down the entire warehouse in less than an hour. Although the fire devastated a large area, the only lucky thing in this tragedy was that no one was injured. Hello everyone. Today is a special day. One of the giant structures, once built illegally, is about to give way to new development. Behind me is one of the high-rise buildings that everyone has been waiting for. And in just a few minutes, it will be completely demolished. Everything has been carefully calculated. When the countdown ends, we will witness the spectacular collapse of this building in an unbelievable way. The fateful moment is coming. Remember, this whole process is calculated to ensure absolute safety. It was the moment we had all been waiting for. The building collapsed perfectly, like a painting made of concrete and steel. A spectacular display of strength and modern engineering. Not a single brick was out of place. See you all in the next events. Stay tuned for these amazing twists and turns.